Hello guys, so the MCQ for chapter 1 starts here. So the first MCQ is dash is the collection of well defined and distinct objects. मतलब एक जैसी बहुत सारी मुख्तलिफ अशिया का जो मजमूआ है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, उसे हम कहते हैं सेट. Anything belongs to a set is called an dash of the set. वो चीज़ जो किसी सेट में पाई जाती है उसको हम कहते हैं elements of that set. Alright. A set which described with the help of statement is called dash form. सेट्स को अगर हम बयान की फॉर्म में मतलब कि अल्फाज की फॉर्म में समझ जाएं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म. डिस्क्रिप्शन है उसकी वो. देन द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर -5, 3 lies in dash quadrant. Look here, we have -5 which is x and 3 which is y along y-axis. So -5 is negative, and you know x is negative in second quadrant and y is positive in second quadrant. So we have this ordered pair in second quadrant. Okay. The null set is considered to be a dash of every set. Null set हर set का क्या होता है, सबसेट होता है, क्योंकि null set is the smallest set. A set of all subsets of a set is called dash set. Collection of all subsets of a set is called power set. Alright. The set of all subsets is power set. Then we have, if number of elements in set A equals to 10, then number of elements in power set of A equals to dash. So actually it is number of elements in set A equals to 10. मतलब A set में 10 elements हैं, तो power set of A में कितने element होने चाहिए, इसमें सारे subset होने चाहिए. और सबसेट का जो फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास, द फॉर्मूला फॉर सबसेट वी हैव इज 2 raised to power number of elements. So 2 raised to power 10 equals to 1024. The set A equals to X such that X is a past president of Pakistan who was a woman. एक ऐसा सेट है हमारे पास जिसमें एलिमेंट उसका वो है कि कोई ऐसी खातून जो पाकिस्तान की सदर रही हो. तो हमारे पास जो है फ़ौरन हमारे माइंड में ये ख्याल आता है शायद ये जो है ऐसा मुमकिन हुआ है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे यहाँ अभी तक कोई ऐसी फीमेल प्रेसिडेंट नहीं आई. वी डोंट हैव अ फीमेल प्रेसिडेंट इन आवर कंट्री पाकिस्तान until this day in 2021. So it can be in next years. So up till this day in 21 we don't have 2021 we don't have a female president. So this set is a null set actually. The ordered pair 0, 2 lies in. Okay, so here is a point that if x is 0 and y is some value, so it is always lying on either y-axis or x-axis. Actually when x is 0 it lies on y-axis, and when y is 0 it lies on x-axis. So always keep in this mind. So 0 plus 1 plus 2, it is a set of integers, because negative numbers are not in whole number set. So the ordered pair 5, 0, as I have just told you a couple of minutes before, that if y is 0, that means it is lied on x-axis. ऐसा point जिसमें y 0 x-axis पे lie करेगा. The set has 4 elements, then its power set will contain elements equals to dash elements. I have just told a couple of questions before that. We have the formula for power for subset is 2 raised to power number of elements. So if we have 4 elements, then 2 raised to power 4 equals to 16. So we have 16 elements in our subset. Then complement of another complement, मतलब a complement, then whole complement, it is always equals to a. Then we have if set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, set has 3 elements, 1, 2, 3, set B has 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually set B is a superset of set A, because elements of A are less than set elements of set B. So A is a proper subset because the number of elements in set A are less than number of elements in set B. So it is a proper subset. If both have equal number of elements, then it would be an improper subset. Alright. Next, if A equals to 1 2 3 4 6 and B equals to 1 3 5 7, then the symmetric difference, in symmetric difference actually we use those elements which are not existing in both the sets. So in this case we will just look for those elements which are common in both, like 1 in both, so 1 would not be there. 2 is in one set A, 2 is not in B, so 2 would be there. 3 is in both sets, so 3 would be cancelled. 4 is in set A, it is not in set B, so then second element 2 4, and third element would be 6 in set A, and secondly we have last element is 7. So 2 4 6 and 7 should be present. 2 4 5, we have 5 also in set B. 2 4 5 6 7 should be our answer. So let's check, and it's right. So it is symmetric difference. Okay, the point of intersection of x axis and y axis, वो जगह वो पॉइंट जहाँ पे x axis और y axis मिलती है, that is called origin. Okay, the ordered pair 0 0, it is the point where both axes meet, is called origin. Okay, then the plane made by x axis and y axis is called coordinate plane, it is called Cartesian plane, it is called coordinate plane. Okay, the set of first elements of all ordered pair in a relation R is called domain. Okay, first are called domain, and the second element, set of second elements are called range, right? Then we have in generally Cartesian product of set A cross B is not equal to B cross A. If E is set of even numbers 2 4 6 and O is set of odd numbers, these are not proper sets, these are not equal sets because both are different elements, these are not complements of each other. So these are actually equivalent sets because set E is also an infinite set and set O is also an infinite set. Both have infinite number of elements. So if the number of elements of two sets are equal, so these are called equivalent sets. Okay, we have an element in which we have one element, that is O or 0 is written. So 0 is the set, is a set which has one element. So this set has one element, that is 0 or O, we can think anyone. So it is it is a set which has only one element. So always remember, if in a set 0 is written, किसी set में अगर 0 लिखा हुआ है, तो actually this is not a empty set. Empty set means it doesn't have anything. Okay, it should be empty, it shouldn't have a 0. 0 is an important number, we have just discussed this thing. If the set, the every subset of Cartesian product A cross B is called dash relation from A to B. It's called binary relation. A union empty set phi equals to, it should be, A union phi should be equals to A, because empty set is empty, doesn't have an element. A has all the elements. When we unite both sets, the answer should be A, and in our choice we don't have A here. So actually if this thing happen, always go for the answer which is misinterpreted, like it cannot be an empty set which is written here, it cannot be equals to U because U is not here, it cannot be equals to a complement because we don't have no U here. So actually I just click on this choice, actually it is A. It is misinterpreted, or it is mistake in this question. So it is actually A here. I'll edit this mistake after this video. Okay, so actually look, it is right. So then we have A union A complement is always equals to U. Okay, then we have, that's it for all the MCQs for part 1. Okay, now let's move to part 2. Okay, let's start the second part of chapter 1. So A intersection A is always equals to A. Okay, then we have the Cartesian coordinate system is also known as Cartesian coordinate system is also known as dash coordinate system, binary coordinate system, rectangular coordinate system, or it is also called binary coordinate system, rectangular coordinate system, we can say it. The ordered pair 0,3 we have discussed it previously, पहले हमने बात की है. 0 आया हुआ है x एक्सिस पे, तो ये लाई करेगा y एक्सिस पे, ठीक है. Then we have at third quadrant the value of x and y will be negative, both are negative. If x minus 2 comma 6 equals to 4, so it is very simple, x minus 2 equals to 4. So if minus 2 moves to that side, it would be changed to plus 2. माइनस 2 उस तरफ जाकर के प्लस 2 हो जाएगा. x माइनस 2 इक्वल्स टू 4 है, तो 2 उस तरफ जाके प्लस होगा. देन दैट बिकम्स 2 प्लस 4 6, तो x की वैल्यू आएगी हमारे पास प्लस 6. और y प्लस 2 इक्वल्स टू 6 है, तो y उस तरफ जाके 2 माइनस हो जाएगा. तो 6 माइनस 2 इज़ 4, तो y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 4. x की वैल्यू 6, y की वैल्यू 4, दोनों पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज चाहिए हमें. तो ये है हमारा आंसर. ठीक है. If set S equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, then the number of elements in power set of S, okay, is 2 raised to power 4, 16. Then according to De Morgan's law, A complement intersection B complement equals to A union B whole complement. ठीक है. अगर इस तरफ intersection है, if intersection is on the left side, then we have union on the other side, and whole complement should be on the other side, this is right hand side. So we have A union B whole complement. Then A minus B, x such that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. A में से अगर हम B को माइनस करेंगे, तो B के वो एलिमेंट जो A में थे उनको हम निकाल देंगे. तो A में सिर्फ वो एलिमेंट बच जाएंगे जो A में है, लेकिन B में वो नहीं होने चाहिए. इसमें हमारे पास ऑप्शन है पहला वाला कि x belongs to A and x does not belong to B. Okay, so first option is the correct option, like x belongs to A and x belongs to B. No, this one. If A is a proper subset of B, then A union B is always equals to B. A B का सबसेट है, तो B सेट सुपर सेट हुआ, बड़ा सेट हुआ. A union B करेंगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा? B ही आएगा. Then we have A is a subset of B. Then A intersection, कॉमन दोनों में जो आएगा वो आएगा सेट A, छोटा सेट आएगा. कॉमन छोटा आता है, यूनियन बड़ा आता है हमेशा. Two sets are said to be equal if and only if they have the same elements. The intersection of two overlapping sets is intersection of two overlapping का मतलब जिनके एलिमेंट्स एक दूसरे के अंदर हों. डिसजॉइंट मतलब होता है जिसमें ना हो एक दूसरे में एलिमेंट, ओवरलैपिंग मतलब हो तो नॉन एम्प्टी. उसका हमेशा जो इंटरसेक्शन आएगा वो क्या आएगा? नॉन एम्प्टी आएगा. एम्प्टी होता है डिसजॉइंट्स का. टू सेट्स A and B are said to be dash if one correspondence can be established between their elements. तो two sets A and B are said to be dash if one correspondence can be established. Two sets are said to be equivalent. Okay. A corresponds to B is a function from A to B, and pair A comma B, A belongs to A, B comma B is in F, then B is called dash of F, range of F. A is called domain of F and B is called range of F, image of F. Okay, it is image of F. A is a function f from A to B is called onto function if f of A equals f of B, no range of f equals to B. Domain of relation equals at A, range. A function f from a to b is said to be dash. एक function a से b dash होगा if different elements of set a are associated with different elements of set b. A function f from a to b is said to be dash into function one function. If 2 comma 3 a equals 2 comma 3 b equals 3 comma 4 c equals 4 comma 5, then a cross b intersection c. b intersection c करेंगे 3 4 4 5 में से आ जाएगा 4 हमारे पास. Then we have when we cross it with a 2 comma 4 3 comma 4, so 2 comma 4 3 comma 4, here it is. Then we have a, if u equals to 1 2 3 4, a equals to 1 2 3, b equals to 2 3 5, then a complement union b complement a union a complement, okay, a complement equals to, it should be equals to a intersection b. दोनों में का कॉमन है 2 and 1 कॉमन है, तो उसके बाद 3 4 आना चाहिए. It should be equals to u. Look, हम इसको इस तरह से करेंगे कि हम बोलेंगे कि ये डिमॉर्गन्स लॉ है ना. तो डिमॉर्गन्स लॉ में ये कहता है कि a कॉम्प्लीमेंट यूनियन b कॉम्प्लीमेंट इक्वल्स टू a intersection b whole complement. And if we have an intersection between a and b, that should be 1 2 and 2 3. So 2 is common between a and b. Okay, so that means 2 is common. If we subtract that from u, that should be 1 3 and 4. So first answer is the right answer. Okay, so this is, then we have set a. Okay, now we have a equals to 2 3, b equals to 3 4, c equal to cf, then u equals to 2 3 4 cf. Then find b complement minus a complement. Okay, b complement is u minus b, that should be, b is 3 4, so it should be 2 cf. Okay, then a complement is 2 3 4 cf, then b complement minus a complement. So actually b complement was 2 cf and a complement is 4 cf, so we have 2. Answer should be 2. A union b whole complement. It is correct answer, but he has not accepted that, because answer of that should also be 2. How? Look, a union b is 2 3 3 4, and if we minus 2 3 3 4 from u, we have answer is cf. So how we have cf answer? B complement is equals to, b complement equals to 2 4 2 cf, then a complement equals to a complement equals to u minus a, that is 4 cf, and when we subtract b complement, which was like b complement was 1 cf, so subtract 1 cf minus, here we have, for a complement we should have 4 cf and 4 cf, and so we have 2 cf minus 4 cf, so cf is cancelled with cf, so answer should be 2. So he is telling the wrong answer, because according to him a union b is equals to 2 3 4, and when we subtract it from 2 u complement, it should be cf is the answer, which is wrong. So it is the wrong answer. Okay guys, excuse me. So a intersection u, is always equals to A. A union U is always equals to U. A union A complement is always equals to U. We have done it before. A union A complement and U complement equals to phi. A and B are said to be dash sets if no element is common in them. ठीक है, disjoint sets, we have talked about it. A and B are said to be dash sets if no element is common in them, that is disjoint sets. Two ordered pairs A and B and C and D are equal if and only if A equals to B and C equals to D round, A equals to C and B equals to D. So A equals to C and B equals to D, this one.